Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. Terraglide by AJ ProTech. AJ ProTech has introduced their innovative electric recumbent trike, the Terraglide, aiming to revolutionize urban and suburban commuting. It resembles an electric car embryo more than a traditional bike. The company hints at future mass production and ongoing adjustments to the initial version. While specific details are limited, they promise a range of 161 kilometers on a full battery, speeds up to 40 kilometers and a weight under 45 kilograms. The price is yet to be announced. SideRider. Bob Walton has created the Side Bike, a fun bicycle upgrade that resembles a motorcycle sidecar and can comfortably seat two small passengers. Compared to conventional child seats, the Side Bike offers increased stability and a better view for children. Walton suggests emailing him if you're interested in purchasing a Side Bike. Manta5 Hydrofoiler SL3. The Manta5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is an innovative water bike that provides a realistic aquatic cycling experience. It features a throttle-only launch, a fixed-cord foil, and a composite monocoque chassis that allows it to float upright when not in motion. The bike is easy to travel with and store due to its toolless quick connections and modular design. It has 10 adjustable pedal assist settings, making it suitable for both easy rides and vigorous aqua exercises. The battery lasts up to 4.5 hours. The Hydrofoiler SL3 is a pollution-free alternative to jet skis and is part of Manta5's efforts to revolutionize water sports. Raam Chat Bike Rickshaw. The Raam Chat Bike Rickshaw offers a practical solution for those who struggle or feel unsafe walking alone. It allows a person to pedal while their elderly parents or young children relax in the seats. It features 8 gears, a silent electric pedaling assistance system, and a battery that lasts up to 64 kilometers, ensuring a comfortable ride. It supports a maximum weight of 120 kilograms for the driver and 200 kilograms for passengers. However, it comes with a hefty price tag of around $9,700.